In this video, what we're going to do is we're going to use a few more components that we haven't used yet. We're actually going to use some tables and graphs to create a screen in Activity Builder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back over here to my stuff on the left. I'm going to hit Custom Activities, and then I'm going to hit Create a New Activity. And so I'm going to just call this one Tables and Graphs. Some are more popular components that folks use. I'm not going to give it a description. You can if you want to, and I'm going to leave it in default styling because we're going to use some tables and graphs here. And so when I'm ready, hit Create New Activity. Here we go. I'm back in Activity Builder. And so I'm going to add in just a few of those things real quickly. I'm going to add in a graph. That's something we haven't used yet. So let's pull a graph in. And then I'm going to go ahead and pull in a table as well. So that's right here. So let's pull in a table. And I'm going to add a few more things. Let's add a note right below it. And then maybe a math response right here. And so what I'm going to have students do here is I'm going to go in and let's write an equation of a line like y equals x. And we can even add a few points like 1, 1 and label it. And I don't know, 2, 2 and label it. There we go. We've got a graph, a line. We've got some points. If I want to, I can put those in my table as well. And in fact, instead of having 2 columns, I'm going to get rid of this first one. I'm going to put x, y as the top of my table. And I'm going to just add in those points. So 1, 1 and 2, 2. You could have left it as x and y in those two, but I'm just going to put it in 1. And then I'm going to give students the instructions, something like write the equation of this line. And then notice I've got my math response for them to put in their answer as we go. And if I wanted to explain it, I could. But let's preview it. We added in some different components here. Of course, I can move them around if I wanted to. And let's preview it. So notice what we've got going on. We have a graph. We've got some points. We've got a table. We have a note with directions for students and a place for them to input their answer really that quickly with all those different components at once. So just wanted to show you one more way that you can build things moving the components around inside Activity Builder.